Success isn't supposed to happen. No matter how hard you work, there's no guarantee you're going to succeed. There's nothing set in stone. I don't care how busy I am. I will always make time for what's important to me. The day you stop doing the small things is the day you think you're above everybody else. Life is too short to worry about what others say about you. Have fun and give them something to talk about. Your life today is the sum total of your choices. So if you're not happy with it, look back at your choices and start making different ones. I just want to be a great example to younger kids. I don't think you get successful to brag and throw what you have in the world's face. That's all private. I never do anything that I don't want to do. You get one life. I'm going to embrace mine. In life, you can choose to cry about the bullshit that happens to you, or you can choose to laugh about it. I choose laughter. You matter. And no one is allowed to take away your right to your property, your right to your safety, or your right to be yourself. Those are things that should be defended. People want to act like they know celebrities. They want to see pictures. They want to know where you're going. They want to hear you talk about your family. You need a teacher, because those who can't do, teach. So if you want to learn something, go to someone who can't do it. Damn it. I think I wrote this one wrong. You are already in your experience. So you can either resent and resist it and make it that much less enjoyable, or you can accept it and find something positive in it. This way, when your best possible future comes looking for you, almost always at a time and in a place you least expect it, you will be able to recognize its face and respond to its call. People call this the elusive obvious. It's right there in front of your face, so close that everyone can see it but you. Can you fail and still be strong? Can you not fit in and accept yourself? Can you lose everything and still keep searching? Can you be in the dark and still believe in the light? Don't invite them into the conversation. You already know what you want to dedicate yourself to. So you don't need to ask for their approval. There's no need to seek external approval when you already have internal approval. People may hate you for being different and not living by society standards. But deep down, they wish they had the courage to do the same. Laughter heals all wounds. And that's one thing that everybody shares. No matter what you're going through, it makes you forget about your problems. I think the world should keep laughing.